Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change language on Discord. First we have to, of course, open the Discord application. Then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then go all the way to the bottom and find language. Pick it, and then from languages you can select any language that you would like to set. Let's for example go with Italian. And as you can see, user's interface language has changed to Italian. And that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.